Hi friends, how are you? Welcome to Hanu Life Hacks. I'm back with my other video. This time, I would like to share few quotes by a dynamic personality. He is none other than Nelson Mandela. Nelson Mandela is regarded as one of history's most inspirational persons across the world. In every language and every country, Mandela's legacy shines as a beacon of hope and healing, and as a potent reminder of the power of human spirit to overcome impossible odds. Everyone can rise above their circumstances and achieve success if they are dedicated to and passionate about what they do. Remember friends, it doesn't matter who you are, where you come from, and what is your current situation. If you have that burning desire deep rooted in yourself, success finds its way to you. Pursue what you are passionate about. Some of us might be good in creative fields like dancing, painting, music, cooking, writing, etc. Some of us might have startup ideas. Some of us are good with numbers and codes. So whatever you wanted to pursue, be passionate about it. The second quote: I am fundamentally an optimist. Part of being optimistic is keeping one's head pointed towards the sun, one's feet moving forward. There were many dark moments when my faith in humanity was sorely tested, but I would not and could not give myself up to despair. That way lays defeat and death. Maintaining positive approach in times of failures is mandatory, friends. It seems so easy to say that, but believe me, once you use this approach, there is nothing stopping you from whatever you want to achieve in your life. We all have setbacks. Sometimes people bring us down. Sometimes things do not work in the way you thought. Those are the times you have to be optimistic and proceed ahead. The third quote: do not judge me by my successes. Judge me by how many times I fell down and got back up again. There is no single person in the entire world who has not done any mistakes. Make mistakes, but learn from them. Do not repeat the similar one again. Apply the learnings in other situations. We have to grow from them. Do not bother about anybody who points out mistakes and tries to bring you down. Our true admirers never does it. They help you to keep strong instead of pinpointing. So friends, ignore the rest of the people. They really doesn't matter. The fourth quote: the brave man is not he who does not feel afraid, but he who conquers that fear. Fear is an important ingredient of life when used in right amounts. Do not fear for everything, guys. Eliminate the fear of failure. If you have zeal to excel, these fears are nothing. Overcome them in small steps. For example, I used to have the so-called stage fear while at school. It followed me to college also. Then one day, I practiced talking, imagining a crowd in front of me. Later, I used to talk before small crowds. Thereafter, I was asked to do stage anchoring for large crowds, and rest is history. Remember friends, you are more powerful than your fears. The fifth quote. If you want the cooperation of humans around you, you must make them feel they are important, and you do that by being genuine and humble. Be humble to persons in your team or nearby your home. Doing so doesn't make us small at all. Be genuine with others and they will be more genuine to you. The last quote. After climbing a great hill, one only finds that there are many more hills to climb. We should not be limiting ourselves to limited set of goals. At times, we may feel like, that's it, let me stop now, enough is enough. But remember friends, if we are tired of anything, all we need is to take rest, not to quit. You have immense potential within you. Only thing you have to do is keep pushing yourself. With this, the video has come to an end, friends. Remember all the points I told you and start applying in your life too. I hope this video has helped you in some way or the other. Give a thumbs up if you like my video, share it with your family and friends. Do let me know what you felt in the comment box. Also tell me if you would like a similar video on other famous personalities. And finally, do not forget to subscribe the channel. Bye guys.